Hello everyone, welcome back to my next tutorial. In this tutorial, we are going to model this machine component using NX. While modeling any component in NX, first do the add material feature, then go for the remove material feature. First, after drawing this component, the component will look like this in NX. The same model, we are going to recreate it in NX. To model this component, first go to File, New. Here I'll choose model and specify unit is millimeter. Specify the file name, specify the location, save OK. Now we have opened this NX. Now I will model it. First I am going to create this section, then extrude up to the length of 63. For that go to sketch, take the right plane, save OK. Take the line, I am starting from this point, here, somewhere here, close this point, press the roller to confirm, again press the roller to confirm. Now this length is 75. Specify the value of 75. Do you want to scale the entire sketch? Yes. Press the roller to confirm. And this height is 50 mm. And this distance is 12 mm. Now here you can see sketch is fully defined. Finish. Extrude. Make symmetric value. Total extrusion length is 63. Press enter it. Save OK. Hide the sketch. Now we have created this complete. Then we just want to create this model. To create this model, 25 plus 19 is 44. 54. 63. This is actually symmetric object. So we just want to create in the mid plane. Go to the sketch again. Select this right plane. Save OK. Now take the line. Here use the entire assembly. Then only you can able to select the point somewhere here. Vertical line. One horizontal line. Just close the sketch. Press the roller to confirm. Press the roller to confirm again. Now make this as, this is vertical only, this is not vertical, horizontal, make this as a horizontal line. Now this distance is 12 mm from the bottom, from here to here the distance is 12. Press the roller to confirm, the height is 16 mm. Press the roller to confirm. Now sketch is fully defined, go finish sketch, extrude. Here we make it symmetric value. Total extrusion is 25. Just save OK. Now we have created this feature also. Then we'll go for the material removal feature of this cut and this cut. First I am going to start with this cut. Just rotate it. Go to the sketch again. Select the surface. Save OK. This cut has to be created here. Take this rectangle. Make sure you are in the entire assembly. From this point to here, you just create a rectangle. From here to here, the distance is 25. Say yes. Similarly, from here to here, this height is 15 mm. From here to here we make it entire assembly. This also be 25 mm. Now sketch is fully defined. Just go for the finish sketch, extrude, just change the direction. Here we make it until next. Here subtract, save OK. Now we have created this cut. Then we'll create this cut. For that you just rotate the object like this. Go for the sketch, select the surface, save OK. Similarly, take a rectangle. Make sure you are in the entire assembly. Just create one rectangle. This From here to here the distance is 25, 22. Say yes. From here to here also we have 22. And this height is 12 mm. Now sketch is fully defined. Just go for the finish sketch. Extrude. Change this direction. Here we make it until next. Save OK. Just hide the sketch. Just right click here. Go for the orient view, isometric view. Now we have finished this object. In this tutorial, we have learned this component. Next tutorial, we will come up with a new component. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please share to your friends. For more videos, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.